In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status in ClickUp. Understanding how to customize the statuses of your tasks can greatly enhance your project management and team efficiency. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you can see all your ongoing projects. Being logged in is essential because we're making changes that will affect your workspace settings. Now that we're inside, let's move to the Spaces section. Here you will find an array of workspaces you've created or been invited to. You need to carefully choose the specific workspace where you'd like to make these status changes. Spot this workspace and look just beside it for the icon with 3 dots. Clicking on this icon will give you a list of options. From the drop-down menu, you want to select Task Statuses. This section is where you can not only see the current statuses available for your tasks, but also where you will add new ones. It's a crucial tool for managing workflows as it allows you to tailor task progress tracking to your unique needs. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Status. Click on that and you'll be prompted to type in the name of the new status you wish to create. Think about the purpose of this status, whether it's for things like in review, on hold, or anything else relevant to your workflow. The name should be clear and straightforward to ensure everyone on the team understands exactly what it implies. Once you've typed in the new status, the next step is simple. You can either press Enter on your keyboard or click the Save button. Doing this confirms the addition of the status you just created to your task options. We're almost done, but it's important to save these changes to ensure they're properly integrated into your workspace. You'll notice an option that says Apply Changes. Click on this to make sure your new status is set and ready to be used for tasks moving forward. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Save Changes. This action seals all the modifications you've just made. Your new task status is now officially part of your ClickUp workspace structure and ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new status in ClickUp. Remember, customizing your statuses can significantly streamline your project management efforts, giving you and your team greater clarity and control over task progression. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.